Welcome to Sustainable Innovations, reinventing yourself for a purpose-driven future. As a life coach, there is first-hand transformative power to personal reinvention. And that is, by definition, innovation goes beyond technology and the business models that we hear of. Innovation goes beyond that. It starts within, especially from a personal branding perspective, personal development perspective. It starts within. Who am I? What do I stand for? Whom do I serve? And we talk about sustainability in type of innovation that we need. And along that journey, the innovation starts with the clarification of your purpose. The purpose why I am on this land of the living. You want to rediscover that and say, I am here to empower somebody. For example, I'm here to serve and have an impact somewhere. So in other words, that rediscovering one's purpose becomes key. And secondly, it's also looking at, you need to audit one's energy. Where am I putting the thrust? How impactful is it? How am I putting together, realigning one's energy to something else? Especially if you have to change jobs, if you have to do something different from what you were doing before, that kind of energy, auditing and saying, now look, I'm now redirecting my energies towards 1, 2, 3. That's what becomes very key. And there's also something called the emotional intelligence, whereby your thinking processes must now be sharper and sharper in the line of what you are now doing. And in the process, you need to serve beyond yourself. Like, for example, each time you think through it, you're saying, now look, how can I be impactful and plow back to the community and give somebody, provide a service that will serve beyond you, beyond me, beyond this generation, so that by the end of the day, you serve beyond me, beyond yourself, and that becomes key. And this will definitely lead to a purpose-driven future. And it becomes key for us all. A purpose-driven future, whereby you think of the generation, the next generation, and you also think of how it will impact in that at that time. And of course, this is what the world is waiting for. The world needs us, but we have reason to intentionally, deliberately take a stance in the way we think, in the way we impact, in the way we innovate, in the way we cause things to happen in a manner that will see the different and a better world, because we are here to serve. We are here to be more and more impactful and have that impact that will see a better world tomorrow. For more details, visit our social media platforms, our YouTube, our social media in general, and so forth. Thank you.